Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device is up to date and that you're signed into iCloud. Once done, open Settings or System Preferences on Mac and tap your name to access Apple ID. Make sure you know the current Apple ID email and the device passcode because you'll need them to authenticate. If you use two-factor authentication, have a trusted device or phone number nearby for verification codes. This first step ensures security and a smooth password change flow. You now navigate to Password and Security and tap Change Password. After being prompted, enter your device passcode to prove it's you. This unlocks the password fields. Type a new password and confirm it. Remember why? Apple enforces strength to protect email, purchases, and backups. Use at least 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Once you save, Apple signs you out of some services. Make sure to re-enter the new password on other devices. You finish by updating the new password across your devices and key apps like Mail and the App Store, because lingering old credentials cause repeated prompts. Once updated, verify trusted phone numbers and recovery email to keep two-factor working. If you get locked out or forget the passcode, use Account Recovery or go to iForget. Apple. Calm for guided steps. This is why recovery details matter. If issues persist, contact Apple support. They can confirm identity and restore access in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.